Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be having a look at the 5th Queen's Beast coin in a series of 10. And these are coming out over a number of years and are still coming out. But today we've got the Falcon of the Plantagenets 2019 UK £5 brilliant uncirculated coin. And this is how it arrives if you buy it from the Royal Mint, in the classic Royal Mint handbag. So there we go, with the packaging on, that is the front, and then that's the back, which we'll get more into in a bit. But for now, I'm going to do my usual thing of taking it out of the packaging to show you, if you have this coin or if you don't have this coin, exactly what's going on inside and all the information that you get. So there we go, that's with the packaging now completely off. So I'll just slide this coin out of here and we'll come back onto that in a second because that's got the coin specifications on the back. So there we go. And now I'm going to do my usual thing of opening it up and leaving each page there long enough so that you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. So there we go. The 5th coin in a series of 10, and I'm glad that I started collecting these. I've got all of them in the classic Royal Mint handbag, apart from, I think it's the first one. But it's a nice collection to have. 10 in total. They cost £13 each, which is a little bit better than some of the £5 commemorative coins that do get issued. There we go, a little bit on the designer. And there we go, a little bit more information there. And again, feel free to pause here if I'm going too quickly. And then back round to the front. So before we get onto the coin itself, let's have a look at the back of this. Check that part out. And then we'll have a look at the coin specifications. So the denomination is £5. The alloy is cupronickel. The weight is 28.28 grams. The diameter is 38.61 millimeters. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. And the obverse and reverse designer, both Jodie Clark. So there we go, that is the back of the packaging. So let's check out the coin itself. So we'll start off with the reverse of the coin. There we go, 2019 dated. Absolutely stunning. Great series of coins this. And if I just bring it round now, we can have a look at the obverse of the coin. There we go. Lovely, in brilliant in uncirculated condition again. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this series of coins. So let me know in the comment section below, have you got this one and have you got the 4 previous ones? And also, have you got the special edition 2018 one of the Lion of England that they brought out? That was one to just commemorate how well England did in the World Cup. But let me know in the comment section below because it always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.